Flood warning in effect until 7:30 p.m. this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of northern New Jersey, including the following county, Hunterdon. When? Until 7:30 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 3:20 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is occurring in the warned area on the Neshannock River at Reeville. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. At 3:15 p.m. the stage was 6.51 feet. Flood stage is 6.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.